Before the weekly analysis begins, I just want to let you know that I do have a Patreon page. We have two tiers available. The first tier is called Start Off for £15 a month, and what you will receive is access to a Discord server containing the beginners, intermediate, and advanced course, risk management course for Elliot wave trading, as well as financial literacy content. This tier is also for those who want to learn at their own pace and generally just support what I do and just join a community of like-minded traders. The second tier that I have is called the Waveologist for £35 a month, and what you receive is everything that I mentioned above with the addition of specific chart requests for me to annotate on a daily and weekly time frame, and one-to-one support or group sessions depending on how many people have subscribed to this tier. The group or one-to-one sessions are for those people who want a little bit of extra help with their Elliott Wave education, and also give the opportunity to ask me as many questions. Please do keep in mind that these are going to be 1 hour sessions depending on how many people have subscribed, and also I would say please do consider joining. It is really good value for money, and without further ado, let's get into the analysis. Alright guys, welcome back. This is going to be my 8-wave analysis for Bitcoin, but first of all, any views or opinions or suggestions that are expressed in this video do not constitute to trading or financial advice. So let's get started here. Obviously, I've been discussing for quite a while, saying that Bitcoin, where it is currently, is it has created this sort of expanded flat pattern where we have a 3-3, another 3 and a 3, and we followed it off with a 1-2-3-4-5 wave impulse, breaking or rejecting or taking out the extremities of this wave A. And what we've seen here is obviously some sort of movement in the market where, if you see it here, we get some sort of rejection, weak rejection, and a third weak rejection, and eventually we just sort of started to sell off. And where we are currently right now is, well, by the looks of it, when we have this 1-2-3-4-5 wave impulsive move, and we have a wave 4 here, which the market seems to me on the 4 hour time frame, which is about to close in the next 3 minutes or so, is going to close below this level, which could be considered as a break. However, I do personally like to look at the daily time frame. So if the daily time frame does close below this wave 4 level, then we have a complete break in market structure. And what that essentially means is that we're going to eventually continue going down after we get some sort of retracement back up to the upside. So where is the wave count right now? Well, when I go down to in the smaller time frame, what I can see here is quite fairly simple. Um, we have maybe a wave 1 here, followed by a wave 2, and then this could be a 1-2-3-4 and a 5 here to a 3-4-5. So this could be a leading diagonal right here, which basically means that this will give us our wave 1. So wave 1 here, and then we have our wave 2 here. Um, we're gonna basically get a wave 3-4-5 to come, and sort of make sure that our fib retracement are matching up nicely. So wave 2 rejects about 50% or so, and we can draw a parallel channel from here to there, and wave 3 should eventually go to around the 1.618% level of wave 1 to wave 2. So as you can see, it's going way beyond the 1.236% level, and if this sort of rejected in and around this area, then this would have been considered as an A, B, and a C. However, I do see more downside potential coming in, and where we are currently in this market is, it looks like to me that instead of we getting a third wave to hit the sort of 1.618% level, what we might get is this to be a wave 1 here, a wave 2, and this could be a 1-2-3-4 and a 5, which basically means that instead of this being the third wave, this could basically be the wave 1 of wave 3. So let me just sort it out so it's a bit more clearer. So here will be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be in a smaller degree. And what we're going to get essentially, once this market structure breaks, because every time the market structure breaks, it essentially means that we'll get a sort of deeper correction to come in eventually. And once this day time frame closes, we'll probably get to see that. So obviously, with this being a 1-2-3-4 and a 5, with it closing sort of around here, we're gonna get a sort of 3 waves coming back up into a wave 2, and then This will then continue going down to give us a third leg and a fourth leg and fifth leg, so on, so on, so on. So we just move these down here so it's a bit more organized. Just bear with me. So 3 here, 4, 5. That will be the third wave. Fourth wave somewhere up in here, and then a fifth wave coming down again. So the pattern will kind of look something like this. So we have a wave 1 here, a wave 2, then we have a 1, 2, and then we have a 3, 4, 5 into our wave 3 in the high degree. So then this will be a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, and then we get a wave 4 coming in again, and then another wave 5 to give us our fifth and final leg, in terms of it being a higher, in terms of the higher degree. So at the end of the day, I'm going to still be looking at this market structure. If it does break on the daily time frame, that to me is a sign that the market structure has been broken, and we are obviously going to be changing from a upward impulsive move or a bullish impulsive move to now a bearish impulsive move, coming back down and bringing Bitcoin right below down to probably its ultimate lows, I guess. Well, not ultimate lows, but previous lows, currently in November 2022. And yeah, I hope you guys like my video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. I do have a Patreon for those people that are interested in mentorship. And yeah, I'll see you guys until the next one. Take care.